Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're playing Subway Surfers episode 3 or part 3 now. So, I'm like 3,000 away from getting the robot skin. I'm so excited. I do not know why, but yeah, I'm 3,000 away. 3,000 coins, sorry. Yes, 3,000 coins away. Yeah? Oh, let's go. Yes, we got a key, we got a key. Oh, boom. A jetpack. I want to get our because it's such a jetpacks. Oh, that's close. Whoa! Oh, let's get one. Oh, man, that was close. Man, alright. Whoa. That so far so good, but of course I'm gonna die soon. I remembered my high score was like in 600 coins, so it's like 24,000. Thanks to the... Oh my god, I was about to say thanks to the magnet and I died! Okay, it's alright, let's do two more rounds. So it starts off easy, then it's gonna get really hard later. So when I got like 600 coins in like one game, it was pretty hard. So yeah. Oh, okay. I started this game. I did not know why last time the comments were disabled. I don't know why. But now it's back. So if you guys got any challenges for me, just comment them below, because I can do some challenges. Whoa. Oh my god! Oh gosh, I got squashed by... Oh my god, okay. Okay, last round. This video is gonna be quite fast, because I have to do some things later on. On Friday, I will make a video in the hospital because I have to go for a checkup in the hospital. So I won't be talking because I'm in the hospital. Unless you guys want to hear some hospital sounds or whatever. Oh. Damn. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Ah. Yes. Maybe the last round score. Oh shoot! And that was a bad idea. Wait, what? How? I accidentally sweep my finger to the left. I am missing some magnets. I really want the magnets, but alright. Okay, doing quite well. Oh. Whoa! I couldn't see like really good because the shoe. No! Okay. You know what? Last round. Okay, last round. So I got 300 coins. Okay, so 2,000 more until I get the robot skin. So still quite a long way. But who cares? Anyways. All I need to find is a mystery box, and then I need like some coins. The mystery box, like maybe 2,000 or one. Okay. Maybe I just have to find one. If I miss one, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh my god. I couldn't find any mystery boxes in last round, but yeah, it's alright. Oh. This game just keeps me entertained, although I keep dying with time. I didn't reach this game yet, I haven't. But if it's actually really hard, then I would rage, obviously. Whoa! Oh, goddamn! Yes, mystery box, let's go! Hopefully I get money, not spikes, guitar, whatever. Or spikes. What? Why this game made me land on the thing? The game made me land on the thing. Okay, then let's see. What? First, okay. Alright guys, so that is it. So I really need that $1,000 because why not? Because I really want this robot skin. Look at this. I mean, to you guys it might be ugly, but to me, at least I get another skin. It's spike. I need like 200, dude. It's too much. 120,000. God, no. Where's the robot? Wait. I think it's 20,000. Yeah, 20,000 is not bad. But the robot is 12,000. And look at the skins. I mean, it might look ugly to you guys, but nah. It looks cool, 7,000. Now we can buy this, but I want to buy a robot. I want that 50,000 for that person. Then I need to find, oh my god, 500. Wow. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. If you guys want more of these, then leave a like and subscribe, and yeah, goodbye guys. Part 4 coming out soon, episode 4, I don't know, but okay, yeah, bye.